I think this one is a really good question because it's about pumping with a foreskin. And when you think about kind of being circumcised versus being uncircumcised, I think if we were to globally look at things, not just here in the United States, but look at it globally, there are more uncircumcised people than there are actually circumcised. And growing up in America as a lady or even as a gent, if you coming in contact with most, like most guys here tend to be circumcised. But worldwide, I would say it's absolutely the opposite. Most guys tend not to be circumcised. So this is a big discussion in terms of, can you pump when you're not circumcised, or if you have a little bit of extra bit of skin there, is it harmful and what? So Nico asked a question, and I want to play Nico's question because Nico actually took the time out to ask me through a video.
Hey, good morning, Dr. Rachael. I would like to know if a man like myself has a skin bridge, is it still possible to use a penis pump?
Great question. Now, a skin bridge, and I'm assuming he's talking about basically an uncircumcised penis or like a skin flap. Now, here's a couple things to keep in mind about that. If you're uncircumcised or even partially uncircumcised, and when you're pulling back the skin, it's painful and it's tender, or you can't get it all the way retract out, yes, a pump is going to hurt when you put it on there, because remember what a pump is doing is it's putting vacuum pressure on the erectile tissue. So it's actually going to form suction, and it can actually pull that skin in directions that you wouldn't like for it to be into. So if you're naturally uncircumcised and you don't have any pain and that skin retracts back with ease, whether you're erect or not, whether someone's mouth is on it or not, if any of those things are happening, then you should be okay using a pump. But if you actually have pain and tenderness when you're retracting it, when someone's going down on you and in certain situations, honestly, then what you really should do is make an appointment with a urologist to see if they can trim some of that away or help you loosen it and stretch it so that it isn't going to be as painful.